Hi Virgo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to another you and yours reading. That's you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. Could be anyone, could be a love interest, could be a neighbor, could be your father, could be your sibling, teacher, boss, anyone. So, and this is your and their energy and how to deal with it basically. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send us the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, these are general energy readings, okay? They're general collective readings. So they're not going to resonate with each and every one of you out there. I have the Three of Cups. I'll put it back though. Good card. So what was I saying? They're not going to resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Don't make it fit into your life if it's not your reading. Also, these are for the second half of June, but time is fluid. You could already be going through this or will go through this, or maybe this is going to come up in your immediate future. So here we go. Two sides, two sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. And in the center, we'll have your mutual energy. At any time, if you feel that the other side resonates more with you, please feel free to flip the energy. Flip your side. Big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for all the lovely comments and motivating me to do better. And why is there a Three of Swords here? No, this is not I'm not going to see this right now. Okay, let's read the cards first. Three of Cups. See, this is the card that came and I put it back. First card again. Now, Eight of Pentacles, Temperance, Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. On the other side, I have the Page of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Page of Swords, the Hermit, Knight of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Mutual energy, King of Cups, Knight of Cups, Six of Swords, and the Strength card in reverse. What's going on here? Was it a third party situation? Maybe there was. Somebody didn't put in enough effort. This person was wishy-washy in your life, came in with sweet nothings, and it just became a mess. Didn't really put in the work, did they? I see you, Virgo, as getting over that pain now. You are leaving all this rubbish behind and you're bringing back balance into your life. You want to move ahead. You realize that there was no, equal give and take here. Maybe this person was giving to many and not just you. And this didn't make you feel very good initially. But I see you here, bringing back balance. Yeah, you've kind of turned your back on them. You've turned your back on this person. You don't seem to be waiting around for them any longer. And you brought some balance back into your own life. Because this person didn't make you happy. This person was not your wish fulfillment. We have the Wheel of Fortune here, Virgo. What's this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Yeah, you don't want to look back anymore, okay? You don't want to look back. You're not you don't want to be stuck in the past, these past energies, and you are willing this Wheel of Fortune by walking away from this. You are concentrating right now totally on your own stability. Whatever stress and tension that this relationship or this partnership put you through, you are now releasing all those swords which were in your back. You are giving up the fight. You don't want this, drama anymore. You walking away to become this Queen of Pentacles, who is totally financially, mentally, emotionally, whatever, spiritually, creatively, in every way, a perfect, happiness person, a very giving, kind person. And this is what you're heading out to become by leaving this bad, toxic thing, and it's coming to you because the Wheel of Fortune is there, and yes, it's going to lead to a lot of emotional well-being and wish fulfillment for you. So let's see. Let's take another card for this Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. You're putting an end to all this stagnant energy. Whatever was totally stagnant, not working, you're leaving it behind, I think, and you're releasing all this toxic, devilish behavior which you may have faced with this relationship. Let's see how the other person is feeling. This other person is also realizing what they've done, Virgo. They have the Page of Cups in their energy. They have realized that they have not given enough. Okay, they've realized that there was no equal partnership there. They realized they were probably breadcrumbing you. They're wanting to come in with some kind of apology to you. Now, whether you want it or not is a different thing altogether, but that's how they feel. They want to come in with an apology, and they don't want to hold back from you anymore. Maybe in the past they were not giving enough. I have the Six of Pentacles in reverse. They were not giving what they should have. And this person could have been a bit controlling as well. A bit controlling, mind games, power play was, the way they did things. But they are wanting to come in with some kind of something, but it's very small, Virgo. It's a very slow moving, slow offer. They are still not enlightened. They are in the Hermit in reverse energy. The Hermit is enlightened. They do want to work towards it, but and because maybe by your leaving or your moving ahead has stressed them out. But whatever they're doing, they are not doing it from a place of enlightenment. Page here, there's a Knight of Pentacles again. Again, very slow movement. Almost look at this horse not moving at all. And they're in Knight and Page energy. They're not in King energy. The only King energy they have is the King of Wands in reverse. Okay, so this is a person who doesn't do as they promise. They are not the most reliable. They're quite the player. They like to work for themselves. Yes, there is. They see that there is no growth happening here. They realize that, and maybe that's why they want to come to you, with an apology now, because they may fear that you may leave them. One more card, Spirit, for the Knight of Wands in reverse. Yes, no, very imbalanced person, very imbalanced situation, person. They are not in their right. I don't want to use a bad word, but yes, they are not in the best energy. I have the Eight of Wands here, which probably means they want to communicate with you. Let's see your mutual energy. Knight of Cups in reverse. Again, promises which are not kept, love offers which never fructify, and you both are in that place where you don't even know whether, Virgo, you don't know whether even if you want it now. Too many cards. Spirit, can I have a card for the Knight of Cups, please? Yeah, there has been sneaky behavior. There's been a lot of lying, cheating. This is the Thief card, and amplified by the whole thing that it's in reverse. So in your mutual position, you're still in troubled waters, it seems. The Six of Swords is in reverse, not moving on to calmer waters at this time. Please clarify. Yes. Because of this King of Wands. King of Wands is prevalent here. Okay, this is a knight which is, all out for themselves. When they say something, they want to just go out and get it because it feels good to them. Quite the player sometimes. It's only about them and them and them and nothing else. Maybe you both are now looking out to see what can be done about the situation, and both feeling weak in this relationship, not having the strength to battle it out anymore. Yes, as I said that, The Strength in reverse, Emperor in reverse, which is another card for power and control and, having power over something. There is none. Both of you are feeling powerless to bring this back into some kind of a balanced equation, because there is no more fire and passion left in this. Maybe there's a lot of ego and pride involved as well, okay? Because no one really wants to bend down, even though there is nothing to be proud of. But both are keeping their ego and pride intact. Or at least one person is, and the other person is viewing them as that. Very small offers again, as I said, by this King of Swords. King of Swords is again a person who's not very nice with his words. Okay, is not a good communicator. Let's see how this person is feeling about you, Virgo. How is Virgo's person feeling about them? One more card. Virgo, your person says that you are no longer interested. You're not the same person that you were maybe earlier, being happy and sunny and bright with them. They see you as being a little standoffish maybe with them. They see you as, having left them out in the cold, or maybe they see you as feeling left out in the cold by them. They also see you as if you're giving up on them. You're no longer fighting for them anymore. Let's see how, Virgo, you are feeling for this person. 3 cards. You see them as heartbroken. You also see them as heartbroken. You see them as having turned their back on this relationship. You see them also as the 7 of Swords, which is the liar, cheater card again. Okay, so you don't think very highly of them at this point at all. Any possible outcome, Spirit? Any possible outcome? Any possible outcome for Virgo and their person? One more card, please. This could be in a family dynamic, Virgo. Could be somebody in your family. There are many other people in the mix here. There's a lot of fighting and irritation and gossip or whatever. There are a lot of things happening. I see you not getting involved here. You're not accepting any offers. And yes, you see this as a long-term place that you are in. A family, maybe a joint family or something like that. That's how you see them, that this is your family, I think. And one way or the other, you are... Anyway, chalo, let's take an angel blessing card from you, for you, Virgo, to see how you're doing, what the angels can bless you with. One more card. So one more card for Virgo. Spirit says, don't compromise. Whatever you are praying for is definitely going to come to you. Okay, so this is not the time to listen to anyone who's not, you feel is not right for you. And whatever you're praying for is definitely being heard by Spirit and the angels. It's definitely going to come to you. Just take a little step back from this person or these people and be generous, not with others, but it's time to be generous to yourself now. You are fully deserving, you are a wonderful human being, and this is a time to step away, take a pause and give to yourself. The only thing you're not supposed to compromise right now is on yourself. Okay? Don't get taken in by anyone else's false promises or anything like that. It's you for you. Forgive yourself first, okay, before forgiving anyone else. It's not your fault that you're here. It's not your fault that this is happening. You may be stuck in a place where you're facing all this. So Virgo, you take care of yourself, okay? And let's meet again. Hit that subscribe button or the little Omkara logo which is on your screen, what's going to come. And once you subscribe, it'll be nice to have you back on my channel again next week to see what else is coming up for you. Something new, hopefully, and wonderful. God bless. Take care. Love and light.